Well, from creators to consumers, this is an interesting story. The RealReal, which is a luxury resale platform, it's noting how a lot of consumers are still buying the Gucci bags, they're still buying these luxury brands. However, they're looking for more value. So they're seeing more people gravitate towards, a fair deal. So maybe they're going to purchase a bag that's in not great condition or perhaps a cheaper price comparatively. So interesting to see that even the luxury consumer, they're trying to be a little more picky and going towards value. And that's coming, as we know, the consumer has been really resilient within this current macro environment too.
Demand for bags in, quote, fair conditions up 130%. That sounds like you're probably searching for a used bag, right?
Totally, and that's what the RealReal is.
And so I think that's just an interesting takeaway, right? You're seeing people look for something that is, quote, lightly used or in fair condition rather than new. I mean, if you're feeling really good about things, you probably just get the new bag, right?
Well, the report says that fair is the lowest tier of quality on the RealReal. But hey, taking this quick step back here, it's the RealReal talking about how, hey, the shoppers are more savvy. Yeah, the RealReal saying that, right? Because they want you to go shop on RealReal.
Totally.
But I think it echoes what LVMH said about a month ago. They're seeing a little bit of weakness, especially in the States and the high-end luxury consumer. Maybe they're trading down to the RealReal. Maybe they're trading down to Grail, things like that, where they can get good stuff that's used. I mean, I don't know much about that from a younger shopper point of view. The report mentioned Gen Z, millennials are into that kind of stuff, but I'm not sure. But I guess there is a trend here.
Totally, and there was this interesting graphic that was up about how lab-grown diamonds are becoming more of a thing, and basically that you could get, a diamond that's half the cost of a mined diamond. I know people have hot takes about this, but
wow. Pras said we were out of his wheelhouse when talking about Gen Z shoppers. Lab-grown diamonds.
Oh, that's Gen X. Excuse me.
I can't say I've done a lot of Googling. But I think it is interesting the brands that people are interested in still, too, right? That Gucci still pop. Like these brands.
They still want the high-end brands.
They still want the high-end brands. They just want it used. But a good overall sign, you would think, if you are the luxury brand, that your brand's still carrying the weight, right? If I only have $50, or $100, because it's probably not $50 for something used Gucci. You're still in the hundreds.
Oh,
you're still
you're
used.
not $50.
You're still in the
even
you're
used.
Well in the hundreds.
I've been to a RealReal store. I was shocked at how expensive some of those things are, even used. So
real expensive.
Real expensive.
And you know what go ahead.
Oh no, I was just gonna say real expensive, like everything else.
Well, and they also have vintage watches, they resell watches, and this is
there you go. That's what you're looking for.
And this is not the same thing, but Rolex has their own CPO. Certified pre-owned program, and it's not because they want to offer a cheaper product to somebody. They want to offer a product period to somebody. So maybe there's something there. Maybe you might see an LVMH do a little bit. We have a certified pre-owned area here. I don't know if these secondhand goods are so in desire.
In demand.
In demand.
Hey, I'm still fine going on Amazon and getting the dupes.